Hi students, today we are looking at Unit 3 of First Standard Mathematics Term 1. Okay, right, patterns. Uh, Patterns, what are the keywords? Patterns, sound and color. Okay, sound you already know, septum. Color also you know, varnam. So this is pattern and sounds. Travel through. On my way to school. Mati is going to school. Okay, on the way she hears many sounds. Okay, she is enjoying the patterns in it. Okay, sound patterns. All right, let us go along with her and enjoy it. Okay, let's see what is there. Okay. Oh, when she is riding, she is actually clicking that bell. No, that is not a bell. Bell sound you might be aware of, right? But in the street, she has seen a dog. But how the dog barks? Okay, that's good. That's cool. She also saw a sheep. Yes, sheep. Tell me what you want to say. Oh, this is not May. This is October. Okay, fair enough. Then she saw an auto. Oh, what is the sound there? Pam pam. What is that? Pam pam. She saw a crow on the tree. What is the sound of the crow? Crow. Cow. Cow, 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 cow. Okay. What is this then? Is this parrot? Is it singing? Mm, mm. She saw a what is this? Cat. Cat also. Meow, meow. Okay. What is this then? This is cough, I guess. Mama. Bah. Oh, that is what he's saying. All right. And she heard this noise. This also ding ding. The school's bell. Okay. All right. All right. 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 Let's see. I am happy. Learn. Oh, this is rhyme. Clap, clap, clap. I am happy at my home. So I clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Okay. Snap, snap, snap. I am happy at my school. So I snap, snap, snap. Snap, snap, snap. Stamp, stamp, stamp. I am happy at my class. So I stamp, stamp, stamp. Tap, tap, tap. I am happy everywhere. So I tap, tap, tap. Okay. That's good enough. Okay. Oh, how does it related to mathematics? That is what you're asking. Fair enough. Try this. Meow. And our friends. Oh, his name is Mio. This guy's name is Bow. They are meeting after a long time. Okay. Think how their conversation would be like. This guy is asking. Then what is the reply? Okay, that is good enough. Fair enough. Activity, act and enjoy. Creating patterns in sounds. Things needed: pencil, steel spoon, plastic scale, wooden duster, steel tumbler. Okay. Procedure: by gently tapping these, make different sound patterns and enjoy. Follow the patterns given below. Try some of the patterns also. Number of taps: one tap, tick tick. Okay. Two taps, tick tick. One tap, ting ting. Two taps, ting ting. Like that you can make the sound with all these available materials. Oh, sound patterns are everywhere. Where do you hear such patterns in sound? And share it. Let's see patterns in color. Okay. This is colorful garden, isn't it? Right. Look at the trees and the plants. Okay. How are they arranged also? Look at the colors of the slides. Look at the colorful balloons. Where are the balloons? These are the balloons. There is a pattern, right? Alright. Do you see any other colorful patterns in the garden? Yes, see here. Share it with your class friends. Observe and identify the pattern. These are of having same color, red. But here, see there are two different colors. Okay, one is this light blue. Okay, practice color and complete the pattern. This color and this color. Okay, now you have to make use of this color. Okay, this one. Here everything is green. Okay, no problem. Pleasure time. Observe the pattern and choose the correct one by ticking it. What? Yes, yes. Out of these two, which one should come? This one should come. Okay. What about here? This is incorrect. Right. This is correct. Okay. You got the point now. Activity. Make a colorful pattern on your own that you have to do on your own. Okay. Use two different colors or three different colors. Your wish. Here also. Okay, so that is the end of unit 3. There is nothing in it except the color patterns and the sound patterns. Okay, goodbye for now. We'll meet in the next session with unit 4. Okay, நன்றி வணக்கம். See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.